All right, raise your hand if you can hear me, please. Please close your laptop if it is still open. We're waiting on like 2 people, and then we'll get going. Okay, so this is our calorimetry lab. And what we are doing is we're finding specific heat. So here's what we've got in this lab, okay? We've got a few different things that we're going to use, and I'll show them all to you. So materials and methods first. Materials. Okay, everybody's going to need to have a styrofoam cup. And this is your styrofoam cup. All right? You're also going to need to have a thermometer. Additionally, you're going to have a small beaker. This is a 50 milliliter beaker. So, 50 milliliter beaker, and you're going to get, this looks like a 1-inch bolt. Might be a 3/4 inch bolt, depending on how that's measured. But you're going to get a bolt, okay? And I don't even know what kind of metal this is. I don't know what this is made out of, but you're getting a bolt. So, call that a 3/4 inch bolt. Get a bolt. All right. And then this is what we're going to do. So the methods are really, really important. Everything has to be done in the right order. So methods. Okay, number 1. We have to weigh our empty beaker. Number 2, add approximately 20 milliliters of water and weigh beaker again. Okay, that's the next thing we're doing. Number 3, weigh the bolt. And it's got to be dry, it will be dry, but weigh the bolt. Okay? Number 4, add bolt to boiling water bath. Okay? We're going to leave that bolt in that water bath for about, 30, 40 seconds, maybe a minute. And I'll make sure that to not forget whose bolt is which bolt, okay? I'll keep track of the bolts. I'll have some tweezers to bring them out of the water bath. All right? Shh. Number 5. You got to place your beaker in your styrofoam cup. Add, and let's actually make this, instead of 20 milliliters of water, let's make it 30. I think that's going to be a better thing to use. So I'll add 30 milliliters of water to that beaker. That's a good idea, 30 instead of 20. So this number should be 30. Sorry for the last minute change there, but 30 milliliters of water. So place the beaker in the styrofoam cup and semicolon there and add bolt. Add your hot bolt. Okay? And your bolt should be roughly 100 degrees Celsius in temperature. I'll give you the exact temperature, okay? And then what you've got to do is, number 6, gently stir with the thermometer. So really gently, okay? Don't damage your thermometer on the bolt. The bolt's made of jagged metal. Your thermometer is made of glass. Just really gently stir it around. And then record the stabilized temperature, okay? And one last thing too, when you add your, up here for number 2, you're gonna weigh again, weigh, and then also take the temperature with the thermometer in step 2, okay? So you gotta weigh this beaker, and you gotta take the temperature with the thermometer. Because we gotta have temperature here, and we gotta have temperature here. So at the end of the day, you're gonna have a results table, and you'll wanna put this in your notebook, and it's gonna look like this. Okay? You're gonna have mass in grams of a few different things. Okay? Dry beaker. And you're going to have your beaker with water, and then you're going to have your bolt. Okay? So 1, 2, 3 things we have to have our mass of. And we're also going to have our temperature, and this is degrees Celsius, of our, what is this? This is our water before the bolt is added, and then water after addition of bolt. Water after the addition of our bolt. Okay? Those are the things we want to take our temperature of. And this experimental setup is pretty good. Ideal? Not quite, but good enough. Any questions about what we have to do? Okay. I'm going to wear safety glasses. I want everybody to wear goggles. So Nicholas, you're pretty tall. Please take down the goggles, put them on the back table so everybody can wear goggles. We can work in, we got 4 setups, 4 experimental setups. Right now there are 5, 6, 10, 15, 17, 24 of us. There are 24 of us. So we're going to have to work in groups of 3. Okay? We can have 8 groups of 3. Any questions about how this works, scholars? All right. We should be able to get this done in about 20, 25 minutes. Good luck.